begin with a question. What if? What if we could find a way to accelerate access to rare gene therapies for the patients that need them the most? What if we could find a way to reduce or break through the bottleneck in gene therapy manufacturing? But we didn't stop there. We got started.
It's only been a few months since Forge Biologics was born, but during that time, we've been busy. Our team has quadrupled in size, and we've celebrated our entrance into the gene therapy space with a flag-raising ceremony. We moved into our new home, a 175,000 square foot facility in Grove City, Ohio. We'll be manufacturing gene therapies for those that need them the most, and this is where it will be happening, in what we call the hearth. We've broken ground on phase 1 of our new office space and have thought through every detail of the workplace experience. It's a taste of what's possible with great leadership and a clear vision. The only question now is, you in?
So in 2020, we founded Forge Biologics as a hybrid manufacturing and gene therapy development company. Based out of the Hearth, a 175,000 square foot facility based out of Columbus, Ohio, where we're able to manufacture research grade and GMP grade AAV products for clients. But we also have our own gene therapy pipeline, where we're able to have now as a clinical stage company, AAV programs to help patients in need. This gives us maximum flexibility and allows us to de-risk our business models and our pipelines. It also allows us to finance the different subsidiaries in a very structured manner so that we can monetize these assets at some point down the road. And to date, we have 3 subsidiaries under Forge Biologics Holdings. We have a subsidiary focused on CNS disorders, our wholly owned subsidiary is a contract developer manufacturer, and another subsidiary focused on AAV programs for pediatric diseases. To do that, we assembled a world-class team of gene therapy experts from multiple gene therapy companies from around the country. And then we built out the Blaze research production cell line, an HEK 293 suspension cell line that's completely scalable up to 500 liters. And we offer process development and analytical development to help your programs really get started. To walk you through the technical details, I'd like to introduce you to our Chief Technical Officer, Dr. David Dismuke.
Here at Forge Biologics, we are aiming to create an optimized viral vector manufacturing platform for AAV gene therapy products that will accelerate projects from bench to commercial production. Forge is utilizing a closed, fully disposable single-use system from 1 to 500 liter in suspension bioreactors. Our production process uses a proprietary HEK ignition cell line along with our ember plasmids in a completely animal component-free platform. Integrated in-process and release testing is performed on-site as well as in collaboration with external partners to provide a fully comprehensive testing panel. Our Blaze Vector manufacturing service allows our clients to have continuity of process and seamless transitions between research and GMP. Blaze Vector has the ability to offer services from 1 to 50 liter batch sizes for use in research or toxicology studies. The ignition cell line has been suspension adapted to high cell density and viability, and the cells are compatible with robust transfection in animal component-free media. To ensure reproducibility and regulatory compliance, the cells were cloned and rigorously screened to identify clones with robust growth and high product yield. To increase product quality and the scalability of the manufacturing process, Forge uses a 2-step column chromatography approach for purification. Affinity resin is used first to separate AAV from cellular and process impurities. Ion exchange chromatography is then used to enrich for full AAV vectors and remove empty particle contaminants. Forge has experience in developing downstream purification methods for both natural and novel AAV serotypes and can help optimize processes including harvest, clarification, chromatography, and tangential flow filtration. Our team has experience in developing high-yield upstream processes for a variety of natural and engineered AAV serotypes, with single-use stir tank bioreactors ranging from 50 to 500 liters. The ignition cells can be used with batch, fed batch, or perfusion modes in single-use bioreactors to suit the manufacturing needs of the client. The cells can also be used in adherent cultures for clients utilizing fixed-bed bioreactors. Our ready-to-utilize ignition cells enables our clients to reduce process development timelines and move quickly to GMP production. Shake flasks are used for small-scale vector production and yield assessments to support client work for quick turnaround and cost effectiveness. All flasks are disposable and dedicated to each client's products. Forge is focused on providing the highest quality vector to our clients and leading the industry in technological advancements. We are passionate about serving our clients and supporting you throughout your project's lifespan. Thanks for choosing Forge Biologics.
As part of our patients first approach, we were introduced to Dr. Maria Escolar and the experimental therapy that she was developing for patients with Krabbe disease.
My training is in developmental pediatrics, so it means children with disabilities, and I came across a patient with Krabbe disease. And the mother came to me, and the first thing she told me was, please do not tell me there is nothing we can do about my daughter who's going to die, because I've heard that from all the doctors, and you have to realize I'm a mother, and to tell that my almost normal-looking child is going to die. It's a journey, and I don't want to leave that journey alone. So that gave me a lot of thought, and I thought, oh my God, what a bad job we're doing as doctors to tell these patients to go home and enjoy your child.
Dr. Escolar is the person with the most experience in this disease, and she's still easy to talk to through it all, and she provides sympathy and empathy, which a lot of providers don't have when they're treating kids with terminal diseases, and she provides a sense of hope, which is what you cling to when you're given a diagnosis like this.
The whole reason why I started this project was because of a patient, and for me, patients always go first. And obviously, when we have a therapy like this completely changes the scenery in terms of hope, because now you can hope for a totally normal life.
So let's bring you up to speed about where we are now.
We kicked off 2021 with some big changes at our home, the hearth. Our aim is to bring transformative gene therapies to patients with rare diseases, and we've brought that same transformation to our facility. It's been meticulously designed and constructed to create an environment that feels like home. The changes continue into our manufacturing space, where we're on track for priority GMP gene therapy manufacturing to begin in Q3. We are literally building the future of GMP manufacturing. With walkable ceilings and fully accessible utility systems, our space is easy to maintain and upgrade, reducing downtimes in production and ensuring that we're ready to adapt our space to meet our clients' needs in an ever-evolving industry. We've been expanding not only our manufacturing capabilities, but also our team. Our Forge family has now grown to 53 people. That's 53 hardworking, open, purpose-driven, and engaged people. And we're aiming everything that we have towards bringing hope and healing to those impacted by rare disease. With an experienced team and a mission that runs deep, we are relentlessly building our capacity to serve patients and clients. So once again, the question is, you in?
We started off with a question, what if? And I'll leave you with, what now? Come forge ahead with us.